All right, so ended up going back home for the weekend. Figured I'd get some footage at my dad's place with the AR drone. So this is French River, Ontario. About an hour out of Sudbury. So didn't see much Northern Ontario footage, so hopefully this applies to the masses. Just gonna swing around my old swing set basketball net. And all that dirt that you see there usually is grass, but there's a lot of work that had been done. My dad got a new well installed and geothermal heating and cooling system. So a lot of the yard ended up getting digged up to put the bed underneath. All right, just gonna get a bit of altitude, look around. Got two big oak trees in front of the house. Think black spruce. Not 100% sure on that. Front there is Highway 64, which cuts across my hometown, should I say. Lots of forest, mountains, and we're gonna whip around the house. You get a chance to see the back, which is the French River. It's really nice scenery out here. All right, so we're coming to the back of the house. We got rose bushes on our left, and in front is the lilacs. Everything's suffering this year. Pretty dry season, so a lot of stuff looks bare, and it's because the weather's been pretty harsh out here in Ontario in general. All right, so let's see, we got about another 6 minutes of footage. So I'm gonna leave you guys with that. Thanks for watching. Please thumbs up and subscribe.